Here we go! Pick a pup! Welcome back! No job is too big, no pup is too small. Ho, ho, ho! Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? Great work, pup! A call from Mr. Porter. You can do it, pup! Almost there, pup! Find a few pup treats to win a prize. Almost there! Good job, pup! You got it! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast! Be on the lookout for super treats! I heard they were super... Right on, pup! Keep going, pup! Nice work, pup! You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. This looks like it goes in the garbage bin. A call from Alex. Metal belongs in the recycling bin.
You have unlocked everything you could here. More pups are waiting to join up and help. Add another to the team to access more prizes.
Look, Alex needs help. You did it, pup. A broken lamppost. Do you see it? Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? I see a broken lamppost. Uh-oh! Where is the cap of that fire hydrant? It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it. Farmer Yumi. You got it, pup. It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it. Whoa! Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Welcome to the Winter Festival. Way to go, pup! It's a super treat with style. Tap it to eat it.